everybody. Come on, Bear. Let's go. You know the very one thing, can you guess the very one thing a dog can never do? They can never learn? Can you guess what that is? The very one thing a dog can never learn? I'll tell you what a dog can never learn, and that is how to fake love. That's right. Their love is for real. It don't matter to them how much money you got. That's right. They're always happy to see you when you come around. Yep. Believe me. And they're always a loyal friend. Yep. Only thing they'd steal from you, that'd be your food. You know. I only seen one dog. It wouldn't steal food from people, from its owner, because one time that dog ate the guy's sandwich and he scolded it. I don't think he hit it or anything. He just talked to it real bad, and the dog, it just like broke that dog's heart. Like, and one time we had a chicken dinner and sat it on the ground, went to do something else. He told that dog, "Don't touch." And I'm telling you, man, a half an hour went by. That dog did not touch that food. Yeah. The only thing a dog cannot fake, that is love. Cannot fake friendship. Oh no. They either like you or they don't. Yeah. You know, they don't care how much money you got. But I've seen wealthy people who don't trust people, but they can do other people wrong, but they will lie for them. They don't trust the people themselves, but they'll lie for them because they make them money. Yeah, that's what you call a fake friend. At least the grass is looking a little greener in this part because we're getting the dew in the morning. Yep. Come on. Come on, show off. We got to get out here before some idiot shows up with a pit bull. They should tell them they can't bring pit bulls to the dog park because some are just too aggressive toward other dogs. That's what bad people do. They get that from dogs. You know, they go around stealing, beating up people, whatever. Yeah, they got that old animal spirit. Yep. Yeah, dog. One thing God never put in a dog is that's how to fake love. Yeah. Yeah, it's funny. When you get married, a dog license costs more money than a marriage license. Yeah. What is that all about? Come on now. Do they have a cheaper rate when you get married if the man or woman were spaded or neutered? Yeah. Yep. Come on. You know the routine when we come over here. Yeah. Watch this. Grandma! Bear, where's Grandma? Huh? I know, you heard another dog out there. He's looking around for it. Yeah. I'm going to tell Grandma. He loves Grandma. Yeah. Grandma! Yeah, Grandma. Yeah, you like Grandma. Yeah, Grandma spoils him, gives him treats. Yeah. Okay, anyhow, that's the end of my video. Thank you for watching. Another nice day. Some people out for their morning exercise while it's cool. Yep. Alright, thank you for watching my video.